Okay guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make nature's ice cream. It snowed everywhere. There's snow everywhere. So I'm gonna teach you how to make ice cream. So first, you get a good part right here that's untouched. You don't want parts that are touched like that. You want parts that are like this, untouched. So what you'll do, you'll scrape up the first layer. Scrape it off. You see how I scraped up a little bit? It's cold. Okay, so now you'll get it to your bucket. Get it to your bucket. You'll get this part into your bucket. And kind of here is almost touching the ground. So what you'll do, you move over, scrape a little bit more. And then here you go. Inside, you have to get a lot because this is kind of like thin ice. So once you put milk and the sweetened milk, it's gonna get smaller. So you have to get a lot. Okay. Take off my jacket. Well, okay, so I'm not taking off my jacket because I have where I work and I'm not about to go change right now. I want to do this. So, okay. Need this. So I told him to buy lechera and he didn't get milk. But it's okay. We got this to liquefy a little bit. So it's puro good ice cream. Okay. So you have this. We're gonna use this because your husband forgot. Open it and try it somewhere first. You don't want to do the whole thing and then just ruin the whole thing, right? So I'm gonna try it on this little thing. I'm gonna do it clear. Just a little bit. Just poquito. Just a little bit. I know that's not my car. I love the smell of this. Sometimes I drink it like that, but I know, girl, that's diabetes. So obviously it has a hazelnut. So it's gonna taste more like hazelnut, but it's not. Just, it's a little bit, so it can like get a little bit liquidy. You get a spoon, put a little bit. Más poquito, just a little bit. Okay. You mix it in. You mix it, you mix it, you mix it. That's how it starts. So you see the consistency of this? So it's like that. me show you guys. So this is the consistency of it. Le pones más. I'm sorry for those fire alarms.
No.
No. Make it like this.
Oh, hola.
So this is the consistency, obviously. Como no me trajeron leche, I gotta make it more. A little bit more. You guys know the Carnation condensed milk? You can use that. Actually, that tastes better. You gotta use a little bit of this. So it's gonna taste like that. And obviously, ice cream is not supposed to be very watery. It's supposed to be kind of mushy, kind of not. But yeah, this is ice cream. And it tastes good. A ver, we're gonna see if my husband likes the ice cream. He's never tried it because he's from Honduras, so he's never, this is the first time. Es la primera vez que vas a probar algo así, ¿verdad?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Te lo vamos a dar. Okay, so now since we did the ice cream, we did... Okay, he's already trying it.
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
¿A qué sabe? Tú dinos.
Sabe bien rico,
I know, pero
Como leche
describe.
Como leche condensada. Ay, qué rico.
Del 1 al 5, ¿qué le das? Obvio no le dimos todo.
Un
No,
cinco.
no hicimos. Okay.
Un 5.
¿Un 5? Ok. También se le echa vainilla, leche clavel,
Está buena.
leche condensada. Yeah, and that's how you make ice cream. So this is-
leche?
Sí, pero no me trajiste la leche. So this looks like masa or mashed potatoes, but it's not. It's ice cream. It's nature's ice cream. Y pues Dios me dijo, haz nieve. God said, I give you ice, you make ice cream. It's like, if God gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So look. You just curl it. You got ice cream. And the only reason I know how to do this is because I'm an ice cream fanatic. I'm sure there's more people that know how to do this, but I'm the one just making you guys watch me. Oh, wow.
Voy a parecer gringa. Y su niño es trigueñito como yo.
Okay. Well, I'm ending my video with nature's ice cream. No. Let me put my hair down. I just came back from work. And, you know, gotta work. Yeah. For a little video. Girl, si salió bueno. For those people that are watching me, thank you. I only have 13 subscribers, pero you know what? Con esos 13, me aviento. And I'm sorry que this does not work. You know, don't judge me. Esta casita está bonita, but it's just, whenever I moved, you guys, I'm gonna have to give you a story. When I moved in here, it wasn't like this. Y como no es mía, I can't fix it up. We're about to move, so on my other casita, va a estar bonita. Either way. Bye, guys.